of the evidence for evolution is analogy, also known as analogous organs. Let's define analogous organs. Organs which have different origin but they have same function. So now this is exactly different to homologous organ, or it is opposite to it. You see the origins are various but it is going to converge to the same function. So can I call this as convergent evolution? Yes. Now let's see certain example to understand it much better. The first example we are taking is eyes of octopus and mammals. Both are light sensitive. It is meant to see. But when you are looking at the origin point, the eyes of octopus is originated from the skin, whereas the eyes of mammals are originated from neurons. It is a ectodermal derivative. Now, in the next example, if you are looking, fins of dogfish and flippers of dolphin both are meant to swim. But when you are looking at the origin, fins are the origin for dogfish, whereas flippers, which is a limb, four-limb modification seen in case of dolphin as it is a mammal. In the third example, again we see the same function of sweet potato and potato, as both are storage organs. But if you are looking at origin, sweet potato is a root, whereas potato itself is a stem. The last example we are looking at is, you can see wings of butterfly, wings of a bird and wings of a bat. Now if you are looking at wings of butterfly, it is originated from the integument. Wings of bird, which is originated from forelimbs and has feathers, is much different when compared to wings of a bat, which is another four-limb modification. But all have same purpose as flight. So we can clearly tell they have different origin, same function, and hence it is convergent evolution.